3 under 2.
Hey guys, today we're off to Wallaman Falls. Wallaman Waterfall is the largest permanent single drop waterfall in Australia at 268 meters tall. And we're going to check out the lookout and probably walk down, which is about 45 minutes down, but we have been told that it is quite hard, but we're always happy to give it a go.
So we've made it to the car park at the lookout point. The plan from here is we're going to have a quick little picnic because it's roughly about lunchtime. We're going to check out the lookout, and after that we're going to go for a hike all the way down to the bottom to get the best spot to look at the waterfall.
Don't touch. Don't yell at it.
Yeah, mate.
So we are walking down to the waterfall, and it's going to be about a 4-kilometer round trip. It's getting quite late in the day, so we want to kind of get onto it as soon as we can. And we've heard it's quite moderate, so it might be a difficult one, but the falls look great from up high. We're keen to see how they look below. That poor bug.
And whatever that wraps it up and wet.
So it's taken us about an hour and 5 minutes, but we have gotten to the bottom and it's pretty impressive. It's a fairly quiet walk as well, so we've got all of this to ourselves right now, which is pretty awesome. The kids are keen to run around, but it looks pretty slippery, so we're just going to have a quick look around, take in the views before making our ascent back up.
So now that we're down here and we've just taken a minute to absorb this location, this scenery, I mean, it's hard to think that that is 269 meters tall I mean, just from this distance, I think you lose perspective of size. And if somebody told me that that was like 100 meters, I'd just be like, okay, yeah, that's 100 meters. But I think just how far back we are and the actual scale of it is very impressive. And even just looking at the gorge wall, I mean, that is a massive, massive wall, and so straight and so high.
Another thing that's really cool about this is how remote it is. You kind of feel like you're so tiny here and you're in the middle of nowhere, and I'm getting real like Jurassic Park vibes or something. Like just the green of the gorge, it's, yeah, well worth the trek down. The trek down was quite difficult, but the trek up is really where we're going to struggle.
So an hour ago we were up there, now we're down here. One thing about this walk as well is just how remote it is. It is a difficult walk, which I think scares off a lot of people. A lot of people just go to the lookout and be content with that. It took just over an hour to get down here, and we passed maybe 6 people, and we've been here for about 10 minutes now and we haven't seen a single person. And it's such a special thing to have this beauty all to yourself. Normally when you go to a lot of beautiful places, waterfalls, it is overpopulated, there's just a lot of people, and there's everyone just trying to get that Instagram shot. Here, there's no one. If you're willing to put in the work, you get the rewards. Just like what we're seeing right here. Alright, 3:15, now to start climbing back to the top.
It's crazy how dark parts of this rainforest walk get. It's so bright out near the waterfall, and then come in here and it's super dark.
I can definitely agree with that sign. It has got to be one of the most difficult hikes that we've done with the family, and we've done a lot of difficult hikes. There we go, about an hour and 10 minutes.
Sight for sore eyes. So we're back at the car, and that walk was quite difficult and totally worth it. I'll get you a band-aid. It is getting quite late in the day. It's about 4:30 now, and the car park is completely empty, so we're the only ones here, and we still have about an hour's drive back to our Airbnb, so it's definitely time to hit the road. I've still got to get dinner started, and I think we need to call off because it is really bloody hot.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support the channel, click the like button below, and if you want to see even more content, check out our Instagram, which is 3__2.